What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Z and Abs as Abs Project. Today we've got this lovely Chrysler 300C and we've got a slight issue with this car. When you start it up, the windows don't seem to work, and when you try to indicate left or right, there's no response. Hazards work, so we know the indicators are fine. There's nothing wrong with the electrics, wiring, anything like that. So obviously it's probably some fuses, so we'll show you where the fuses are going to be in this car. So the first thing we're going to do is unlock the boot. As you unlock the boot, you're going to lift this boot carpet up, and right next to the battery there's this fuse box over here. Open the cover, and we're going to check this 5 amp fuse. And as you can see, that's blown, and we're going to replace it back with a decent working fuse. Okay, now that we replaced the fuse, let's start the car up again, and let's see if the window opens. Perfect. That opens nicely, and now we're going to see if the indicators work. Lovely. There you go guys. The folding mirrors didn't work either. So if you do get these kind of issues, obviously if it's one of them, then you know it's a fuse. But when all 3 of them are playing up and there's more issues, like automatically you start thinking that it might be an electrical wiring issue. Before you do attack the wiring issue, have a look at your fuses. It can be something small, as I've just showing you right now. So guys, I hope this really helped you out. Stay safe and stay blessed, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like our channel. We'll see you soon.